Today I want to give you a first look at the FSP Dagger Pro SFX power supply. So I've got the 850 watt model here, but it is also available in 550, 650 and 750 watt models. The power supply features a single 12 volt rail, which should prevent any overloading conditions, particularly with power hungry graphics cards. The Dagger Pro uses Japanese capacitors, has an 80 plus gold certification, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Okay, let's go ahead and get the power supply unboxed and take a closer look at it. As you'd expect with an SFX power supply, it is pretty small. It's 125mm by 100mm by 63.5mm. It's fully modular, and I'll show you the cables in a minute. The power supply features a 92mm fan, which has been optimized for low noise operation. The fan doesn't spin until the power supply reaches 20% load. The power supply comes with standard SFX mounting holes at the back, but one of the nice things in the box you get is an ATX bracket. So we go ahead and fit this to the back of the power supply. We've now got full-sized ATX mounting holes, so you're also going to be able to use this power supply in larger cases. Taking a look at the included cables, we've got a 24-pin connector, we've got a single EPS cable which has an 8-pin and a 4+4-pin connector coming from the same cable. We've got two PCIe cables. Each cable has two 6+2-pin connectors, giving us a total of 4 8-pin connectors. We've also got two SATA/Molex cables, which gives us a total of 5 SATA connectors, 2 Molex connectors, and a floppy connector. It's nice to see that the cables are nice and flat, which should make cable management that bit easier. So on first looks, the FSP Dagger Pro looks to be a solid SFX power supply. I had planned to use this in my Lian Li Q58 build. Unfortunately, the power supply didn't arrive in time, so I thought I would make this quick unboxing to give you guys a look at it. So you'll know what I'm going to be using for my next SFX build. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well.